Hey guys, so since sadly we can't all be around the campfire together this year for camp, I decided to bring the campfire to you guys. So this is our campfire time for now, and I will be singing a song for you guys that's called Three Little Birds, and it's just kind of a old happy song by Bob Marley that I hope you guys really like, and the lyrics are pretty easy to learn, so if you want to, feel free to sing along. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds push by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds reach by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, and melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Sing it with me. Singing, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be